Your boss?
Look, this is my boss. I have to kill him.
Oh yeah, I remember Boss Dog.
Yeah, he died.
Yeah, he died.
Yeah. He's
I
like-
cried. Did you know I cried when he died? Because he's a very good dog. He's a big one.
But why? I saw a video that you're
That,
that Nana fed the pet dog when he was dead. I saw.
oh
it.
yeah, there are many dogs that died. Patricia and Leader, Millionaire, they died. And we cried when they died because they are babies.
Yeah, but I saw a video of you. It was a baby that died.
A baby
boss
dog. Yeah. And